I think we may have parked the car a little too close to them.
I just want to revel in your majesty.
The heck was that?